Today we will discuss some of the problems of the chapter Indefinite Integration. So let's start. Our first question is integral sine to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sine squared x into cos squared x dx. So we can solve this problem. We can break this and it converts into sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x plus sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x by 1 minus 2 sine squared x cos squared dx. This again can be expanded a square minus b square sine squared x plus cos squared x sine squared x minus cos squared. This is 1 and this can be written as 1 minus 2 sine squared x cos squared x. It is a general formula which you should remember. So this will get cancelled by this and we will be left with this term, which we can write as minus of cos 2x whole dx, integration of which gives us sine 2x by 2 and a minus sign plus c, which is our answer. We will take another question, question number 2, which is integral of sorry, integral of 1 by 1 plus log x whole squared with respect to log x is. So actually we have to find integration d log x by 1 plus log x whole squared. This is what we have to find. We can take log x as t. Our question becomes dt by 1 plus t square, and which is very easy, tan inverse t plus c, and you can write t as log x. So you will get tan inverse log x plus c. We will take another question. Another question of the same type, integral d cos theta by under root 1 minus cos square theta. This is the question. We can do it the same way. Cos theta is equal to t integral dt by under root 1 minus t square. This is our integral. And we know that formula for this is sine inverse x by a, which is sine inverse t by 1. Now we can put t as cos theta. This is our answer. Sine inverse of cos theta. Fourth question. We will take one more. This question, this particular type of question has come in JEE Advanced 2018. JEE Advanced 2018. I don't know same questions have come or not, but the type was the same. Fourth root of x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 2 whole to the power 5. And now in this type of question, we see that x to the power x minus a to the power m, x minus b to the power n by dx. Nothing like this is there and m plus n is 2. Then we divide by one of the terms and we try to put it t. So what we will do, we will divide the whole term by x plus 2 whole to the power 8. Now we will put x minus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to t. And now we can solve this question very easily. We will proceed to the next. This would be your homework. This is integration of x square by x sin x plus cos x whole squared dx.